we talk about holder structure, potentially what we mean is that, right, when we look at the charts, we gotta imagine them to be, trending, right? We want to get into pairs that are trending. I mean, you could be a counter trend trader. However, that could mess with your psychology and different things like that. So, definitely get in the habit of trading with trend, right? Getting the habit with trading with the banks, trading in the motion of which that would, benefit you the most and render you the most pips, you know what I mean? So at the end of the day, again, you want to, at the end of the day, you want to trade with trend, okay? So now, yeah, again, with GBP, Euro GBP, right? This thing definitely held trend, but it was stopping people's stop losses all the way out, right? If people had their stop losses at these lower highs, right, all these lower highs got cleared out. All of them. Even got me out. I was like, man, I don't feel like being in this trade no more. I'll wait for a re-entry. And I fell asleep, whatever the case may be, and I was picturing the re-enter in this area, and then it's dumped. So if you got into that or re-entered, definitely blue. I know some people re-entered at the top. Very good on your part. Yeah. So, the EMA is below still, so this pair could potentially still push up. It's finding support right here at the 38.2 level. It actually fell from the middle of this trend line here, right out of this place. But you see how it's the middle of the fib, right? This is the fib. This is the fib here. This is the middle portion of the fib. And I usually tell my MBS, the FX students, that the Fibonacci is a really good tool, right, to trace your trend and find the retracements and everything like that. But it's also really good to imagine these middle pieces of the actual Fibonacci itself to be another price reversal zone. Because if you think about it, right, because price is cyclical, once it reaches this middle of this Fibonacci, it's either going to break above here or break below, or break above here and break below. The market is always 50-50 in that regard, so you just got to be fluid enough to react to what price is showing you, right? So that's really all we want to do, man. So at the end of the day, however, the buyers, so in the same breath, right, from this, you see this downtrend that occurred when we were at this high level up here. You see a downtrend here in the MACD as well. The sellers came in and pushed the buyers out of the market. However, you see this little convergence that kind of wants to happen. We're on the 15, we're on the 30. You see this right here? How these kind of look like they want to cross in. That is showing you on the 15-minute chart that they actually did cross. So the buyers could potentially find support here and push this price up. So just kind of wait and see. So kind of manage your risk. If you haven't already closed partial all the way up here, if you have a bigger lot size in the 101, you could manage your risk by closing partial. Still being in the trade at the same time. So, any questions so far? Everybody's good? Cool. So, EU looks like it's wicked on the 30-minute chart. For those that are in EU trade, I know it's quite a few of you. Yeah, rest in peace, Mac. Right now we up in GA. I think that might be 10 pips right there. Oh yeah, some of the loot. 15 pips. Let's go. Closing partial. What are you talking about? We here live, baby. And that's how you fucking do it.
not sure if you know the
Oh,
answers. The tax people are not even sure if they know the answer. It's so incredibly frustrating. How are you supposed to
shut
keep
your fucking.
Yeah, the world is so small till it ain't. I'm building up a wall till it break. She hate it when I call and it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting,
So we got a couple questions here. It says,
waiting.
probably obvious question, but what does it mean when
Think I
it's
know it
wick or
all,
exhaust? Are they
but
the
I
same?
don't.
Okay, so to your question, Jackie, um,
Why you
peep this,
always
right?
on
So we're on a
my
30-minute time frame, right?
bro?
Man, I'm so lit right now.
And I just wanna ball,
Let's get it. It's a great day.
but I never
Hey, baby.
really talk. Yeah, I might trip, I never fall. God knows I came close.
So
Tried to stay home, I
we
know I
see
probably knew a
EA
little better.
doing this
But
thing
we
right
went through
here,
much
man.
together.
Hold on,
I
I gotta put
never
this on the
told
gram.
him being rich was so lonely.
Hold up.
Nobody know me. Oh
Wait, I
well,
call that work though.
hard to
Let me stay
complain
low.
in this five-star
Let me stay low.
hotel.
Let me stay
I'm
low.
always in a rush, I've been thinking too much, but keep it on the hush, no one need to
Upward.
know, just us.
20
And
pips right
today,
now. Ring me
today,
along. Bam, 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 bam,
don't want
bam.
nothing but today, 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 yeah. The world is so small, till it ain't, till it ain't, till it ain't, till it ain't, yeah. I'm building up a wall, till it break, till it break, till it break, till it break, yeah. She hate it when I call, and it's late, and it's late, and it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I hope I never keep you waiting. Yeah,
All right. So to answer your question, Jackie, I'm sorry about that. So let's take a look here on our chart. So when we talk about wicks and everything like that, we talk about different, like, exhaust points or key levels or anything like that. What we're really referring to is the points in the wicks that the candlestick, right, shows a wick. So you see this doji down here, this white doji right here. This right here is a long ass wick on both sides. So this is showing you that price went at its lowest down here, and then it went at its highest up here, but it opened here and closed at the same point. So that doji also, if you don't know your doji candlesticks, a doji means that there's going to be some type of reversal in the price, whether that's on the end of a downtrend, which we see here, right? The end of the downtrend. This is the downtrend here. You have your doji right here, right? This doji is showing you that there's going to be reversal in price. And sure enough, once price wicked or exhausted at this 75 400 level, what happened? Price went crazy, right? See how that worked out? Did I answer your question, Jackie? Let me know. Or if you heard my question. Hopefully you did. My answer. All right. Cool, cool, cool. Sweet. No problem. Um, so Sid, what's up, Sid? How you doing, man? Back from daily deposit days. G ain't gonna fall too. GBP pairs to these to hell. What are you talking about? I'm gonna look at GN for you too right after this right now, bro. So she asked, how do you use your magnetic confluence? Do you use divergence? So what's interesting, right, is that not what's interesting, but what I usually do is that I do my whole technical analysis for everything, top down, blah blah blah, you know, support resistance, trend lines, all that good stuff. And then after that, I'm gonna throw a fib, and then after that, for just confirmation in general of the trade, um, I'm going to be, excuse me, I'm going to be I'm going to be using the MACD for confirmation, right? And just what I ideally see the trade going. And if I have like a potential of it going down or a bias of it going down, I kind of want to see the MACD showing me that or some type of convergence. But when it comes to divergence in itself, you can honestly argue because I'm not the master of divergence, so like I won't even sit here and be like, yeah, I know convergence and divergence because I really don't. I just know how to use it with the MACD because of the moving averages and how that the MACD works and that it measures convergence divergence. But initially spotting convergence divergence, to answer your question, I don't have too much expertise. But I was really just actually studying that recently and looking at Wyckoff schematics actually too. So yeah, it's important to stay a student in this shit, man. For sure, for sure. You always want to keep your foundation solid, So GA's running. What's up with EU? Ooh, EU's got a nasty fall, man. Facts, appreciate it. No problem. No problem, no problem, no problem.
All right. Oh yeah, this song's.
Yeah, EU's falling, man. Hopefully y'all didn't get stopped out. It fell 20 pips. I mean, not hopefully, it is what it is. The market's gonna do what it's gonna do, right? Who gives a damn? Yo, check this out. The dollar spiked up and exactly where I have my supply level, it's falling from. There's no coincidence to that, man. Price is always gonna do technically what it needs to do. Price is always gonna technically set up the fundamental move. Now tweet that. Yo, rest in peace, Mac Miller, for real, bro. No cap, man.
Yeah. You can love it, you can leave it. Saying nothing without it. Yeah. Don't let them keep you down. What if I don't need it? But there's something about it. Yeah. And that just freaks me out. Yeah. I just want another minute with it. Fuck a little, what's the use? Yeah. Never superficial, you gon' know it when it hit you. Get a little sentimental when I'm off the juice, yeah. Yeah. Okay, we colder than the breeze, but the breeze ain't blowing like me, motherfucker. Hold up.
So GN, right?
You don't need to hold up.
It's a good GN.
And I can show you what it is, what it is, what it truly might be, nothing that you know of. You don't need to hold up.
I'm so above and beyond. Ooh. Are you in this tradio? If so, you got a good ass entry. Because I just missed my entry. Oh, we got an alert on GA. That means it's falling. And I'm a ticket. Yeah, it's dope. It's like a little alarm. How many pips is this? Ooh, too close. I don't understand why you're doing the most. My guy Matt, what's up? What's up? Yo, if you guys, I'll really appreciate it. It'll kind of make my day if you guys shout me out on the gram skis. I'll drop my Instagram real quick on here. That'll be cool, man. I could have entered in GA with me live. Views falling. Yeah, man, the dollar's getting cracked right now, I think. Or the dollar's actually shooting up, rather. I just wanna. Yo, do you see GA, son? Know it when it hits you, get a little soda. Little when I'm off the juice. Geeking right now. I'm in GN. I love it. You see that? 30 pips? Fuck you talking about. Wasn't so funny. Nobody going on me. Look how far we came. Steady through one day.
Turning like a hurricane, swerving till the sun get up out of my shade. They don't get the picture, cut
Cut him out of that.
I'm up 30 down, mile plus change. It's been a while, but I'm down till I'm out. And
It is what it ain't. Man, let's go, bro. Hey, my dude Matt, turn me up. GA 30 pips live. Let's go, man. Let them creep you down. I just want another.
Never superficial.
Juice.
Make a little bit more noise for Thunder.
You missed 30 pips if he wasn't on the call. You hear me? You missed 30 pips if he wasn't on the call. Oh my God, I'm gonna let that motherfucker run. I closed about 75% of the actual trade itself, so I just got a runner in right now. I actually might put a stop loss at 75900, but I kind of want to just watch this, man.
That came from doing really solid.
Run it the fuck.
Yeah.
Run it the fuck up.
Banter. I really want
GA
to
killer,
have
bro.
strings for this,
You gotta pick one pair and one pair only.
This one just means a lot.
Just trade that joint all week, yo. Become his best friend.
We weren't gonna be able to travel with strings.
Become his best, bro. Yo, who had shout out that double top?
First time. We just played it together for the first time like 20 minutes ago.
Yo, Jax, if you're still on this call, congratulations. That was a perfectly executed double top. Perfectly executed double top. It's textbook, folks. It don't get no simpler than this.
Music is a beautiful thing.
Oh my goodness.
It's a beautiful thing, baby.
It was beautiful, bro. Literally happened right before your eyes, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. What we do over here is genuine. What we do over here is real, bro. I swear to God, it is. Ain't nothing. I'm telling you, very transparent. I'll tell you my losses. I'll tell you my wins. It is what it is, bro. We human, man. I got bills like you do. Got bills like you do, man. Let's run it the fuck up, bro. We having a great ass week. Any questions so far, guys? Everybody's good? We got 3 minutes on this call, so use it as you may. Use it as you may, folks. So first, I want to say, rest in peace to Mac Miller. I appreciate him for allowing me to catch these 30 pips in the market right now. GA live call. They don't get no better than this, folks. Yo, first I want to say, rest in peace to Mac Miller. I'm at work, so I can't chat like I want to, but I'm saying anything. My dog, that's what I'm here for, bro. Take a breath and ease my mind. How do you know when it's too late to enter a trade? Like right now would be a horrible time to enter GA. And I say that to say because the momentum is already running. And so you'll already catch like, I don't know, like a lot of drawdown, you know, just trying to catch an entry. I would catch an entry if it bounces and makes support and try to like retest to some other areas of resistance. Then you could possibly find an entry for the next like volume. But right now we're in New York, so a lot of people are trading right now. And institutions as well. Man, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is like one of those moments that like it just reaffirm you that what you're doing is for real. For real, because I'll be having some moments where I'm like, man, this is some shit, Patch. Like, what the fuck am I doing? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just exit GA because I see a little bit of support and I don't even feel like giving my profits back. So let's just take profit and call that one a win, man. Congratulations if you took that trade less than a minute on this call. What a perfect 45-minute call, right? If you was on here, you caught 30 pips. MBSFX. I'm out of here, man. Y'all have a great day. Hit me up if you got any questions. Yeah. Sorry about that. But you said gold? I got less than a minute on here, bro. My fault. I ain't gonna have to. I can't answer your question, my dog. Nah, I can get you. What's it called? I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna send a chart. I got you.